Eibenstock core drill problems. She's running, she's drilling, but she's not turning the bit. She's slipping. The motor's running, but the bit's not turning because the clutch up in here is now slipping. She's become too weak. So this is the clutch. So this is the mechanical clutch inside your drill. This is a safety feature. This stops the bit spinning instead of the bit making you spin. Problem with it is the nut on top, she's backed off. So the torque in this here is backed away. So there's not enough pressure against these steel plates. So all you have to do to fix the problem is simply retorque that nut to the correct torque. But what's the correct torque? Eibenstock won't tell me, and everybody else just replaces the whole clutch instead of retorquing this. Smaller core drills, you might get away with torquing them to about 7 or 8 Newton meters. Bigger ones, 10 to 15. This is a bigger one again. Maybe this goes up to about 20 or so Newton meters to get this drilling correctly again. That would allow it to drill bigger cores, but also slip if it binds up. But I don't actually want to put this up to 20 Newton meters just in case, because if I'm wrong, either you're going to break somebody's arm or you're going to throw them to the ground. And that's also a problem as well, because my torque wrench, there's a BGS one, only goes to a minimum of 20. But I don't want to go to 20, so I'm going to have to guess and go just below. So I'm going to maybe set this to 15. If I'm wrong at 15, it's going to slip again, but I can simply take it back again and we can put it up to 20 then. But if it's right, it'll be fine. So let's see if we can get this down to maybe 15 Newton meters. So that's 10. That should maybe be 15. We hope. Yeah, look at that. That is a slack. She's backed off completely. Right, that's her retorqued. Right, that's her to 15 Newton meters. If it's wrong, it'll slip again, and the customer will leave it back again. Hopefully it's right. It'll continue to work. But if you have one of these, or you work on them, or if you know the correct torque settings, let me know in the comment section down there. Wouldn't mind the actual factory Newton meter setting for that nut, or the maximum it's recommended to go to. A lot of brands will give you the actual recommended torque settings or the maximum allowable torque. Because let's face it, some of the people using these core drills can be a bit of a brute. And they just want the dog and run it as hard as possible. They don't want it slipping too easily. Some men are just able to handle the extra force. So they like it set to a higher torque and like it to slip less easily. So if you know the correct or maximum torque settings for one of these Eibenstocks, let me know. This will keep this man drilling today, and will save me having to wait for a brand new clutch to come on, because this man needs it now.